VEED versus Kapwing, usage experience. Links to both platforms are included in the description below. In this video, we'll compare VEED and Kapwing, two browser-based video editing tools that have gained popularity for their simplicity and powerful features. Both platforms cater to creators, marketers, and businesses looking for easy-to-use solutions for video editing and content creation. But which one is right for you? Let's break down their features, strengths, and ideal use cases to help you decide. VEED is known for its intuitive interface and feature set tailored for social media and professional content creation. It offers tools for trimming, cropping, adding subtitles, and applying filters or transitions. Its AI-powered automatic subtitle generator is a standout feature, saving creators hours of manual work. VEED also supports team collaboration, custom branding, and advanced tools like screen recording and video compression, making it a versatile choice for individuals and small businesses alike. Kapwing, on the other hand, is equally user-friendly, but places a stronger emphasis on meme creation, GIF editing, and multimedia projects. Like VEED, it supports automatic subtitles, but also offers creative templates and tools for adding overlays, text animations, and audio. Kapwing's collaborative features shine, with seamless project sharing and editing among team members. Additionally, Kapwing's free plan allows users to export watermark-free videos, which is a bonus for budget-conscious creators. While both platforms are accessible and efficient, the key difference lies in their target audiences. VEED leans toward professionals needing polished videos for marketing, branding, or client projects, with a broader set of tools for compression and customization. Kapwing, meanwhile, appeals to casual creators and social media enthusiasts looking for fun, dynamic content with minimal effort. In terms of pricing, both platforms offer free plans and paid options. VEED's premium tiers include more advanced features and higher export quality, while Kapwing provides flexibility for those prioritizing templates and collaborative workflows. Ultimately, your choice depends on your needs. VEED for business-centric projects, and Kapwing for creative, social-first content. Check out the links in the description to explore each tool and find the best fit for your projects.